Hello there, how you doing? It is Blogmas Day 21. There's not actually anything in there, sorry. I have been making and creating, and I've borrowed it. Not borrowed it, I've utilised it in little gift offering. Just been making up a little gift, don't tell him, for the other half. So I have got, it's like a runner's recovery box, I'm going to call it. Sounds pretty cool, doesn't it? Coming out in the new year. For any of his friends might have signed up to our YouTube and they would like to get their hands on one. Sorry, such a bad hair day today. I'm loving this peppermint, by the way. Oh, it's really good. Oh, lovely. Right, I can't wait to get the tea time. So it's got cream, some orange and cinnamon bath salts. I was going to put a face mask, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to put some aftershave balm in as well. He's got a massage oil. He's even got some shoe or foot deodorizer. I think of everything. A little tea light, a tea bag, a bit calm after a race or after training. And yeah, loving it. I'm gonna have to write all that down, aren't I? So remember. Right, bear with. Actually, my possibilities are endless. Right, where's the... Right, where has all my pens gone? Here we go, found one. Okay, so runners, what's it called? Runners recovery. It's gonna be so Epsom salts, deodorizer for feet, shoes, cream, tea bag, candle. Well, I could put an aftershave if it's for a male runner. If it's for a female runner, I could put in like a face pack. Not saying guys can't have that as well, but yeah, you get the drift. What was the other thing? Cream, tea bag, massage oil, wasn't it? For those tight muscles, aching backs, aching legs. Oh, loving this. It's really nice. Thank you for coming along on this little journey of mine. We're really liking sharing backstages of what's going on for Emphylistics, and also the buddies as well. Oh, talking about that, I should really do have this into being like a separate blog for the next day, shouldn't I? But so excited, look what I'll be wearing. I'll do more YouTube. Grab a cuppa. That's going to be my tagline. Oh, I'm so happy with myself. Right, and then I've got this for when I'm talking about and creating for the buddies. And these guys are the 4 cuddly buddies that come to life in my sessions. So this is Peaceful the Polar Bear. We've got the reindeers called Relaxation, Chill Out the Penguin, and Cubby the Bear Cub. He's calm and he is with it. So there you go. I like to showcase. I'm also doing these next year, loyalty cards. Well, I'm gonna call it, it's gonna be the Cozy Corner Club, and it's going to envisage my weekly Zoom relaxation calls. It's going to bring together the mini retreat mornings as well, and it's also going to encompass this here, and it's going to be to do with purchasing for purpose, because obviously I run a social enterprise, not for profit, but just getting it to people that you can pay the kindness forward in life when you purchase as well. So you're not just doing something good for yourself, you're doing something good for others. So I like that idea. Anyway, I will love you, leave you. Thank you for listening to me waffling on. I will go and finish by doing my order, not really an order, my gift, and then I'm going to go and chill. Christmas film, here I come. Bye. Welcome to a bit of self-care with Emmy today. Hi, how are you doing? I'm just going to put a face mask on. I'm just going to pop it on. Needed. Oh, there we go. Oh, really refreshing. Really nice. There we go. Okay, I'm going to leave that for 15 minutes. It's got lots of yummy things in, like it's called Blossoms and Herbs, and it's really nice. It does feel a little bit tingly when it first goes on, but I've got eczema and I've not had any allergic reactions to it. It feels really nice when it comes off as well. There we go. Oh, hello there, back again. I just thought I would, oh, I'm just putting my chair up, hang on. Okay, so we've got pink, what's it called? Oops, there's all my cards. Just trying to keep a bit of a ventilation. Okay, so here we go. Got some of this on. Ooh, that's nice. I really like that. A minute. Can't really see the vest. It's very glittery. This is what happens when the boys are away. When we get to all pampering. I've just put a face mask on. Got a meal for one as well in the fridge. Getting ready for my tum for tea time. Okay, I'm not the best at doing nails, as my younger sister will tell you. But at least I'm trying. I quite like them. A bit Christmassy. It's kind of see-through pinky. It's quite nice, has to be said. So how are we all doing today? Are we okay? My knee's feeling a bit dodgy today. I did manage a bit of a walk, and then I went and had chats with a friend, which was nice. There we go. Nice was take your time over doing these things. Usually I feel like I'm rushing this. Okay, I need to let that dry a little bit. I'm gonna grab my cup of tea. Of course, I wouldn't be able without a cup of tea, would it? Gosh, my hair's gone a bit crazy as well, isn't it? See? Yep. Wowzers. That's cool, I quite like that. Ooh. Right, I will come back when it's dried, and when I'm putting my hand cream on my face cream. See you in a bit. Hello there. I've got my reusable, all of these reusable cotton face pads, and then you just pop them over your hands like this, and then you take your face mask off. Okay, so you kind of go like this. Okay, ready? So nice. You can do a little sweeping movement like this, and just pushing a little bit towards the nose as well. Go. Oh, lovely. I think I might do a face scrub as well, so let's go and do that. And grab that actually, and then I'll come back. Oh please, because you can just keep reusing them. And they go in the wash as well. I just hang them up to dry. It's very easy. I tend to put them over my couple of little bottles here. Put them over the top of those. Okay, okay. Oh, there we go. Okay, so if you haven't already done so and you're enjoying the content, I really enjoy doing Blogmas for you all. Please do like, subscribe, and click the notification icon as well if you can. If you wouldn't mind, that'd be amazing. And I'll keep bringing out this kind of content. Thank you. Bye. Hello there. Oh, I was about to go get a cup of tea. I just realised it's gotten dark all of a sudden. I was going to switch the light on. Hang on a minute. Bear with. Hang on. Bear with. I'm here. I'm still here. Not long, she says. Oh, very clickety today. Oh, coming in. Oh, there we go. How are you doing? That's a bit of a Fosby flop. I'm going to go make a little offering for other half. Shh, don't tell him. Christmas gift in a minute. So I thought I would just pampered myself. I've done my nails. I've done Christmassy sparkly pink nails. Don't usually do my nails to be fair, so feeling good. So just thought I'd come on and there we go. I'm just going to do a little bit of a hand massage for you. Sorry, I've just pampered my face. I've been having awful trouble with spots. Well, I don't know why, but it's not stress. I eat nicely and healthily. I just don't know what it is. Okay, right, here we go. I'm going straight down. 1, 2, 3, and then we do little thumb circles over each knuckle all the way up to the very top of the nail. Do this on each finger and thumb. Very mindful. You can manipulate the joint if you wish. Okay, all the way up. Brilliant. And again, all the way up. Well, it's very strange weather here today. It's been a bit nippy in the air. I think that's maybe why I had my headaches. This one. There we go. And then manipulate this one. Brilliant. And then our stop button. Ready? Put a little pressure in. Breathing in and out. Again, breathing in and out. Going around the wrist bones. Very mindful, time to stop, time to be. Fantastic. And if you like kind of what you've been experiencing so far this Blogmas, it can carry on into 2026. I'm going to be running a Cozy Corner Club, which will be like a little bit like a membership, a monthly membership. Inside that little club you can get 4 Zoom calls a month to have kind of some relaxation each week. You'll also get up-to-date dates for retreat mornings that I'll be running in Greater Manchester areas, and soon hopefully further afield up north. I'm hoping next year to go on the road with the Cozy Corner, so that's going to be exciting. I ran 2 retreat mornings this year. Wanted to run more, but my knee stopped me a little bit. Fingers crossed it won't stop me again. And then so it's like a way of kind of connecting with other people, being more offline as well. It's a way of finding out and experiencing new ways of being still, being intentional as well, and creating calm for yourself, which is so important in this modern day and age, just for all humans really. A time to give yourself permission to stop as well. As humans, we're not very good at stopping, are we? I know I'm the worst for this, but it was great. The one that we did one up at Deardenwood campsite, which was absolutely lovely, and I'll pop in a little video or a little clip from that in a moment. But we also did one at the Lamppost Cafe in Bury, and that was really, really nice as well. That was very small knit, that one. I didn't advertise it very well, but it was very nice. It was very cozy and calm, and we had some breathing techniques time where they were laid down on like yoga mats. They created their own little Valentine's Day, because it was near Valentine's Day, I think, when I ran that one. And I got them to make a little box of creams and oils and things, which I taught them through how the oils can help them, what they could do afterwards, so a hand massage, a head massage, and they absolutely loved it. And then we went outside for some fresh air afterwards, so it was really, really sweet and really lovely. And I love that word wholesome. It was definitely wholesome. I mean, both retreat mornings were, but it's about retreating into yourself as well. Not retreating away from others, but retreating into yourself and just be more mindful of yourself and prioritising you in this busy world that we are in. So thank you very much for joining me. I should also say that these products that I've been using, I'm not very good at saying this, but I've actually made them myself. This one is the peppermint hand cream. It's really, really good for kind of eczema, dermatitis. It's reducing the itch for me and my child as well. So, and I know others have purchased it for that exact reason. And the peppermint is amazing, cools your skin down. It's fantastic in the summer. You can leave it in the fridge, bring it out, and it's so nice and cooling as well. It's really, really good. But it's also great for like headaches and refocusing your mind as well. That's what peppermint's useful for. And also the kind of deep breathing. So when you get really het up with that really irritating itch, just take some nice deep breaths of that peppermint oil, and really, it's been really, really helpful for me. I've actually managed to take both of us off our hydrocortisone cream and the moisturiser that was given by the doctor as well. This base cream has no horribles in it. It's SLS free, it's paraben free as well, which is what kind of that's what we're allergic to as people with eczema, or many skin conditions. So you can find those types of things in like shampoos and shower gels and stuff. So I tend to use my own shower gels, liquid soaps, creams, shampoo as well, cleanser, face mask, because I know I'm not allergic to it. So there we go. That's enough of that today. Look forward to joining me on Blogmas Day 22 tomorrow. Speak to you soon. Bye. Bye.